Hey guys, it's Aiden, the Video Game Gardener, and today we're going to do part 3 of my gaming PC build setup. Let's go! So it's been a while since we posted part 2 of my gaming PC setup. So we got some more components that goes with the PC. So I might be able to show you some of those today. So today we're gonna focus on our case, the audio system, and the green screen. So the case looks really cool. I like how there's like this glass, so we can see all our components working to make this cool computer look awesome. And it's called the Phanteks Eclipse P600S in satin black. Let's check out what the inside looks like. Hey. So our next component is the audio system, and it's called the Klipsch Pro Media 2.1 THX Premium Desktop Speaker System, and we already plugged it in, and it sounds great. Next up is the Elgato green screen, and give me a second to open it up. So the green screen is up. It's pretty tall, pretty wide, and the feet hold it up from falling. I can't wait to use the new green screen for my videos. So we didn't get our graphics card yet because it's technically affected by the pandemic. Because you know it's out there, the virus and all that. So we have our fingers crossed that we get the graphics card. But we might not get it soon, but we got our fingers crossed that we can get it. So my room is currently under construction. I'm really excited to turn it into a gaming room. We're going to add some RGB lights. I'm really excited because we're going to put some stuff on the wall. It's going to look really cool. And that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.